September the 2nd. It has been granted to you to suffer for him. Philippians chapter 1 verse 29. God runs a costly school, for many of his lessons are learned through tears. Richard Baxter, the 17th century Puritan preacher, once said, "O God, I thank you for the discipline I have endured in this body for 58 years. And he certainly is not the only person who has turned trouble into triumph. Soon the school of our Heavenly Father will close for us, for the end of the school term is closer every day. May we never run from a difficult lesson or flinch from the rod of discipline. Richer will be our crown, and sweeter will heaven be if we cheerfully endure to the end. Then we will graduate in glory." Theodore L. Cooley. The world's finest china is fired in ovens at least 3 times, and some many more. Dresden china is always fired 3 times. Why is it forced to endure such intense heat? Shouldn't once or twice be enough? No. It is necessary to fire the china 3 times so the gold, crimson, and other colors are brighter, more beautiful, and permanently attached. We are fashioned after the same principle. The human trials of life are burned into us numerous times, and through God's grace, beautiful colors are formed in us and made to shine forever. Cortland Myers. Earth's fairest flowers grow not on sunny plain, but where some vast upheaval tore in twain the smiling land. After the whirlwind's devastating blast, and molten lava, fire, and ashes fall, God's still small voice breathes healing over all. From broken rocks and fern-clad chasms deep flow living waters, as from hearts that weep. There in the afterglow soft dews distill, and angels tend God's plants when night falls still. And the beloved passing by the way will gather lilies at the break of day. J.H.D.